You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by. Hopefully I didn't startle you there, but I am ready to do another video for my Valentine's Day series this year. This is the Nerf Valentine's heart-shaped gift box, and on the front of the gift box it's a cool looking little basketball backboard and hoop, and then a little basketball. It looks to be like a soft Nerf, but we shall see, and it includes gummy candy hearts inside. And then the front of the heart looks like a basketball court. It's got natural wood flooring, and then it's black on the outer edge and then gray on the bottom and the back. It's called the Heart Box. Heart Box with candy and game. And there's all the ingredients. It's made by Frankfurt, and they do show Hasbro there because Nerf is a Hasbro product, ages 3 plus. 3 plus. 3 plus. Let us see. Let us bring the camera up. Let us take a closer look. Let me grab a little tool here, and we will see. Is it squishy? Hard to tell. It does say pole and net included, so inside will be a pole. And it looks like the actual box is where you put the pole to hold the net. This looks interesting. I've done all kinds of little handheld finger games and games like this, so that's why I thought this would be fun to show everybody. So let us take a look inside and see what we have. Here we go. Okay, right to the ball. Okay, yeah, so it's a squishy basketball, and it bounces. And then inside is heart-shaped candies in plastic. Let's see what we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12 little candies. And then you see the basketball. Oh, there's actually a net. And then the pole. Okay, let us open that. I'm less interested in the candy and more interested in the game. Okay. And then it looks like you need to take it off of here, but is this just, well, it might be just taped down around the perimeter. Yeah, I don't see, oh, okay, so they want you to take it off from the back. So let's do that instead. And it looks like that's where the hoop's gonna, the stand's gonna go. Either way, it looks cool. Let us see. I probably could have just cut those too. Yeah, maybe it's better to cut it. Alright. And there it is. So it's like a heavy duty cardboard. Here, let's get this stuff out of the way. Let's get the net out of the bag. Yeah, I don't know. It looks like this is where you put it to stand it. Oh, there's a hole in there. Okay, so you gotta pop a hole in there. That goes in that. And then this goes onto this. Easy enough. And this clips onto this. And then this. Oh, maybe this needed to go on first. Or it goes on the back. Hooks from the back, maybe. No. Let's see, maybe pop that back out. Maybe that goes on that first. Yes, that makes sense. And this is going to be pretty tight in there, so there you go. That clips on. That pops into there. Look at that. How cool is that? Now, I got this at Target, but you probably have to put it back on the box. There. There, now it sits right. Okay. Pretty neat. Well, it's probably worth having a piece of candy while I figure out the netting. Which way? It's got to go like that. That's an interesting way to clip it on. It doesn't look easy. Huh. Alright. I don't see it clips on underneath. Let's find the center point. That's about the center point. And there's these little hooks. Not easy. Gotta get it up in there. No, it doesn't want to stay on either. Okay, let's do this. I think I'm gonna have to take it apart to do it. It's odd they give you no instructions. Okay, so maybe this goes upside down, because then you could hook it easier. Now, why would you want that hoop to be that way? Maybe you would think that's the top. Oh, it turns. Okay. So yeah, you want to hook it on this way. That makes more sense. Oh, no. You want it that way. It makes more sense when you do it right. We're going to get it. There we go. It doesn't stay on very well. Okay. My excitement has turned to confusion. Let's just see how this fits around. Okay, come on. It should go this way around the hoop. Like that. Like that. Let's try this again. They should have made this 2 pieces so it would lock in for good. I guess you got to keep tension on it as you go around. You almost want to take that piece off. This piece. Does it come off? Yes. Then bring this behind the hoop and lock it in there. Bring that one in there, lock it in there. Oh, more of a challenge than I was expecting. Okay, it's coming out. Wow, I was really excited, and now I'm thinking, there must be a better way to do this. Okay. There we go. We're going to leave it like that, because this will work. Okay, so if you get this, it can be a little finicky. There we go. We have a hoop. Let's see if the ball at least goes through. Let's just drop it in. Oh yes, it works. I was supposed to be chewing a candy by now. It's kind of looped around the back. Yeah, there's probably a better way. Maybe you want to bunch it all up in the front and not the back. Ooh, the bounce. The bounce in. Let's try that again. There you go. All right. Okay, so the gummies themselves, they're heart-shaped, and they're, I would say, almost more reddish than pinkish, but they're a reddish pink. Let's see, they smell good. Do they show you the flavor on this anywhere? Oh, it's on the box somewhere. It just says gummy candy hearts. Let's just try to bite one and see. Okay, so it's a hard. I would say it's a pretty hard, medium hard gummy candy. All right, now I'm standing further back. Ooh, hit the top of the backboard. Let's try that again. Okay, second attempt. I'm gonna finish chewing my heart gummy. No. It looks pretty cool. Nice. I'm bouncing it because I don't think the backboard can support the ball hitting it. Let's try. Nope. Okay. We must investigate. I'm going to do it this way now. When you're not happy with the way you set it up, just do it again. I'm going to overlap it on the front this time. But then there's no net in the back. It should make it all around. Let's try this. I have to think now. I was thinking, oh yeah, this will be simple. And this one came off. Okay, so what's the rhyme or reason here? What's the methodology here for this? What were they thinking? Okay, so it does kind of end right there. I want to be eating another gummy, but I want to get this. Okay. That does look better. Well, they actually had it this way. Then that into that. And then this into this. It's snapping in. Shouldn't pop out. How can I stabilize this more? Okay, there we go. All right, let's see if we can make a straight shot off the backboard. Ooh, it did go in. Let's lean it on the back there. Maybe with the heart. It's a little angled. Ooh. Balls a bouncing. Ooh. It's easier to do the bounce. There we go. 2 points. Actually, a 3-pointer. I was so far back. Now look at the back of this one. It's got white, like a powdery white. Let's investigate that. Yeah, it's kind of on the gummy and it's on the actual bag itself. Well, let's eat it. Okay, now I'm about 3 feet back. I'm going to bounce and get it in. No, I'm going to bounce and miss. Try again. Ooh, off the backboard. Missed again. Got it. So it's very possible to get it in. It's just a matter of, you know, like any basketball game. There we go. It's very good. It's like a fruity cherry kind of flavor, which is typical for this kind of gummy candy. Ooh, straight in. No backboard, just net. Again. Ooh. Got it. Okay, I'm getting better. Further back now. No. Here we go. I'm way back now, about 5 feet. Ooh, missed the table. chasing for the ball. It's a jump ball. Okay, I'm so far back, I'm completely missing the table. Knocked everything down underneath. It's hard to judge the further you get back. Okay, so it bounces too high, so I'm going to change the angle. That hit the edge of the table and rolled in. Not very good. Okay, I'm getting there. Further back, here we go. This is it. Ah! Yes! Woohoo! Made it! Well, I'm still not 100% satisfied with this netting. They should have made this two pieces and you could have clipped it together and it would have definitely held it better. And how do you get this to stay better? See, it pops through the bottom. And there's nothing to really stop it from moving around unless maybe you taped it somehow on the inside underneath. Because this is loose. I'm not sure exactly what they were thinking there. Not sure. I mean, overall, I would say it's a unique little gift. I would probably find a way to stabilize this better so that it stands better. I'm thinking how you would do that. I would probably put some tape around this and then it would be tighter in there. What kind of tape though? Probably electrical tape. I don't think Scotch tape or like those heavier plasticky tapes would work. Either way, it's here or it's Nerf or nothing, it says. The way they did the logo here in the font, I don't know if you can look at this. They put the H up into the F. So doesn't it almost look like it's near, N-E-R-E, the way they put that H into it? But it's Nerf or nothing on the backboard. And it's got the Nerf logo in orange in the middle. And that is that. Another Valentine's Day gift. What do you think of it? Let me know. The gummies are, typical for this type of item. They are hard, so hard to chew. If you like that, you'll like these. Either way, you might like the little game. And thanks for watching, everybody. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.